Using a debit Visa gift card on an iPhone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Unlock your iPhone using your passcode or Touch ID or Face ID. Locate and open the Wallet application on your iPhone. Tap the plus button. Then, in the Wallet app, tap the plus button to add a card. Now, choose the option for credit or debit card. Manually enter the details from your Visa debit gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the card to your Apple Wallet. Apple might require additional verification. This could involve a code sent to you via SMS or email. Once the card is added and verified, it should be available in your Apple Wallet for use. Open the App Store or iTunes on your iPhone. Then, browse or search for the app, game, or content you want to buy. Now, tap the button to purchase or download. If it's a paid item, it will prompt you to confirm the purchase. When prompted to choose a payment method, select yours.